Right now, in this very moment, someone is thinking about you. They are staring at their phone, typing and deleting a message that is about to change the entire trajectory of your future. You didn't click this video by accident. You were led here because the energy has reached a breaking point and the silence is about to end. In the next 5 minutes, you are going to shift your frequency from waiting to receiving. If you stay until the very end, you will feel a physical shift in your heart space that signals the message is on its way. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it go. Now imagine a warm, golden light at the base of your spine. With every breath, this light climbs higher, relaxing your shoulders, softening your jaw, and opening your heart. Feel the lack leaving your body. You are no longer the person who is waiting for a text. You are the person who is pursued. Feel that shift in your chest, a sense of relief, a sense of finally. The version of you that has already received the text is here now. How does that version of you breathe? How do you smile? Now repeat these words in your mind or out loud, feeling the truth in every syllable. I am the only one they want to talk to. My energy is a magnet that they cannot resist. They are currently overwhelmed with the urge to reach out to me. The text they are sending is exactly what I have been waiting for. Our future is shifting into alignment right now. I am worthy of the love and communication I desire. I am the only one they want to talk to. My energy is a magnet that they cannot resist. They are currently overwhelmed with the urge to reach out to me. The text they are sending is exactly what I have been waiting for. Our future is shifting into alignment right now. I am worthy of the love and communication I desire. It is done. Now see your phone screen lighting up. See their name. You feel that jolt of excitement, but then a deep, calm peace. Read the words on the screen. They aren't just saying hey. They are saying exactly what needs to be said to change everything. It is happening. As you gently open your eyes, carry this knowing with you. The work is done. And before leaving, I want you to claim this energy. Type, "It is done" in the comments right now to lock in this manifestation. And if you want to speed up this process and make them manifest even faster, I have a special gift for you. Head over to joybyjanell.com right now and download my free obsession spell. It is designed to amplify the energy we just created. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.